Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the "this content isn't available right now" error on Facebook. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, close the Facebook app completely and open it again. If the error still appears, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Apps, find and tap Facebook, go to Storage, tap Clear Cache. If the problem still isn't fixed, tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Now open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Facebook. If an update is available, install the latest version. After that, restart your phone and try opening the content again. If you're still seeing the error, keep in mind that the content may have been deleted, the privacy settings may have changed, the account or page may have been deactivated, or you may not have permission to view it. You can also ask the person who shared the content to check its privacy settings or send you a new link. That's how you can fix the "this content isn't available right now" error on Facebook. Thanks for watching.